So question 24 now, using the same diagram that was given before, and the questions are number of angles less than 180 degrees in the figure. So again, let's move in alphabetical order. So angles that are less than 180 degrees. So here is one.
ABO.
So that angle. Now, when you write angles, the rule is
Obtuse.
the rule is slightly different. It's not an obtuse angle; it's an acute angle.
So we have to write a.
I thought it was A or B.
You have to write this as angle.
So we have to write the angle, the sign of the angle.
Yeah. So this is the sign of an angle. Okay. This one. You write this, and this is the sign for angle.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm also doubt on 27th.
You want to add 27 to this list? Okay. Done. Okay, so that is the sign for an angle, and when you write an angle, the point where the angle is, okay, that point has to come in the center. So you should say BAO or BAD, whichever, both are the same. Did you get this?
Sir, even AOB.
No. So first state all the points that come at point A. Okay, so that is one angle. This is another angle. Okay, so the second one is, I can write it as angle BAC. All right, then move on to B. Now I am at point B. So at point B, there is only one angle. Okay, and that angle is ABC. Then fourth, move on to point C. At C again, there are two angles. This is one and this is another. Can somebody tell me how to name this angle?
Sir, it will be CAD.
This one.
ECD.
Sir, acute.
It's acute, but name the angle. Label
Sir,
it.
CBD. CBD. BCD. Sir, BCD.
BCD, correct. BCD works both. C is in the center, the point has to be in the center, and it is in alphabetical order also. So other two are in alphabetical order. So you say BCD. Okay. And how about the bigger angle over here? Tanvi?
ACD. ACD.
Well answered. Okay, ACD, correct. Okay, and then now D is left. That's easy. Tanvi, would you want to state the angle? What is the name of the angle? This one? Tanvi, are you here?
So did you ask me?
Yes, Tanvi.
Sir, I was doing my
Okay. That's fine. It's all right. Okay, anybody else?
Sir, DAC.
No, DAC is this angle.
DCO.
Huh?
DCO.
Sir,
ACD.
I want this angle, Baba.
Sir, ACD.
ADC.
AC.
ADC. ADC.
Oh,
By
by
mistake,
the way, I missed one whole set of angles over here. What about this angle? What about this angle?
so then one. So the angle can be back also, not at the bar.
This no.
Sir, here straight angle.
Outside, not outside the shape. Not outside.
Then you can make a straight angle.
Huh?
The AC are same.
Or you can also make straight angle.
So I missed out this angle. So that should be CAD.
Sir, we can't see the board.
So OAC.
ADC are same, sir.
Okay. And then sixth one.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
ACD, ADC and CAD are same.
ACD and
ADC and sir CAD.
But CAD is an acute,
Yeah.
while ACD is a right angle.
Right angle. Yeah, they are different angles, dear.
Yes, sir. Sir, they are different, sir.
ACB.
Sir, this is a line and that is a slant line.
Okay, so but that's not the
In ACD, there will be a right angle, no?
Pana, I can't hear you. We also have these angles. There are 3 more angles over here.
Or ACB. Oh, we already.
I wrote it.
The BOD.
And then the 9th one is
Sir, that's
Very
acute.
low.
BOD. Yes,
Oh, huh.
BOD makes an angle.
That's
BOD.
an acute, sir.
So BOD, AOB, AOC, and COD all are angles. So there are 3 more. So if you add 3 to 9, so there are
DB,
12. So there are 12 such
sir,
angles.
DAB.
Yeah, I will allow you to complete that. You can complete the list. Okay, but the idea is how to identify the angle, how to label the angle. That's what I want you to understand. Okay.
Sir, is it AOB and AOC? AOC?
Correct. One more. Cash
Sir,
on.
DAB is done.
Yes, DAB.
Sir, AOD straight angle, AOD.
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 Huh?
How? So how is AOD possible?
You need angles less than 180, not equal to 180.
So what, sir?
So straight angle you cannot straight. Good point. Okay. So
Sir, AOC.
AOC, yeah, AOC is already was stated. The last one that nobody stated was COD. COD.
Oh, COD.